Welcome to this new screencast. In this video, I'm gonna explain you how to use the settings of Halfhanger. To access the settings, simply tap on the icon in the top menu bar on the extreme right, like this. Here I have 6 categories. So the first one, if I tap on it, it opens. For the moment, we only have the Halfhanger username. I set it up to my to Giltas, which is my name. And you tap save. So for the moment, this is not really used in the application, but very soon we will release a feature that will enable you to add photos, and this username will be your author name. And also we will enable the possibility to send messages, and this username will be used for all those features. So you can set it up now. Next one is the settings such as the language, for example. So we have 4 languages now, and we are adding new ones. For example, the next one will be German. Items per page. So items per page is the number of records you see per page. Let me show you by example. I'm going to launch a search. Harpa, for example. So Harpa is going to return like 1000 results. So this is the maximum result I can get. So if you, as you can see, I have 20 pages. So if you want to have more records on one page, you are going to have to change the number of records per page in your settings. I'm going to go back to settings here and increase, for example, to 100. Okay, so 100. Oh, sorry. Go back to search. Launch my search. Here it is. So as you can see now, I have 100 records on my page. So I have less pages now. Instead of having 20 pages, I have 10 pages. So these settings can be very interesting if your phone is you feel that your phone lacks power, and for example, when you scroll, it's a little slow. So if you do that, you should decrease the number of results per page. Maybe you could do it to 10 or 20, for example. Your settings are saved, so next time you open the application, you don't have to do that. Next setting is Pro Layout. I will do a specific video on the Pro Layout, but if I activate it and I go back to my home screen, I can see that the layout has changed. I'm gonna do it once more to show you. This is the default layout. And this is a Pro layout. This layout is focused on tag reading using a Bluetooth reader. Okay. So actions for the moment is like if you want to log out of the application, you just press on the button and you will be logged out. Subscription is the information about your subscription. So if you want to cancel your account, in my case, I cannot do it because I have a special subscription. But for subscribers, the button will be activated. You will press on this button here, and then you will be directed to a page where you can cancel your account, your subscription, sorry. Information. So here are some useful informations about the application. For example, your user ID and the package version and the build number. This can be used if you want to contact us and if there is a bug, and then you give us those information. It can be very useful for us to know which version you have. Last but not least, the news preferences. So if I go back to my home, oh sorry, I'm gonna activate, maybe deactivate the Pro layout to be more clear maybe. I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna refresh it. So you see, the application is loading each and every RSS feed that is available in Halfhanger. So if you want to maybe accelerate, or if there's some news that are not relevant for you, you just go to news preferences, and then you will disable, for example, I will keep that. I don't want to offend anyone. So I'm just gonna keep maybe Horses of Iceland. I'm gonna save up, and I'm gonna reload my news. So as you can see now, I have Rusticity and Horses of Iceland only, so my loading time is much faster now. That's it for the settings. I hope it was useful, and I wish you a very nice day. Thank you.